In today's video, I am going to teach you how to add comments to your Wix blog. To get started, log into your Wix account and open your dashboard. Once you are inside the main dashboard area, look over to the left-hand side of the screen. In the vertical menu, click on Blog. This will take you into the section where you can manage your blog content and settings. After the blog area opens, move your attention to the top right corner of the page. You will see a menu labeled More Actions. Click on that drop-down menu to open the available options. From there, choose Blog Settings. This is where Wix lets you control different features for how your blog works, including reader interaction. Once you are in Blog Settings, scroll down until you find the section called Comments and Ratings. This area is important because it controls whether visitors can respond to your blog posts. Look for the option labeled Comments. Next to it, you will see a toggle switch. Click that toggle to turn comments on. When this setting is enabled, your blog posts can begin accepting comments from readers, depending on the permission setting you choose next. After enabling comments, find the option that says Who can leave comments. This setting allows you to decide who is allowed to participate in the conversation on your blog. You will usually see two choices here. You can select Members Only if you want only signed-in site members to leave comments. This is a good option if you want more control over who is posting on your site. Or, you can select Everyone if you want to allow guest visitors to leave comments as well. This option can make it easier for more people to engage with your content. Choose the setting that best fits the kind of community and interaction you want on your blog. If your goal is open engagement, Everyone may be the better choice. If you prefer a more private or moderated environment, Members Only can be a smarter option. Once these settings are in place, comments will be enabled for your Wix blog according to the preference you selected. That means your readers will be able to interact with your posts and share their thoughts directly on your blog. That covers everything you need to know.